Mercedes-Benz W204 car problem: brake system not working properly and dashboard meter message after ignition switch on position and engine start. ABS and ESP inoperative. See owner's manual. How to solve the problem is very easy, so watch the full video. Inshallah you will be able to repair it. My best wishes and congratulations from this channel. If the ABS and ESP warning light also illuminates after starting your vehicle's engine, it signals that the braking system has malfunctioned and your brakes are not working properly. In this case, the electronic brake force distribution (EBD) warning light may also illuminate. To check with the scan computer, first I will take the ignition switch on position. I will check with the scan computer to see if the ABS and ESP lights are on for the problem. Click to check ESP electrical stability fault codes. Now I will click read fault code to see the fault code. Now see there are many fault codes. So first clear the fault code and see if the fault codes are cleared or not. Please turn ignition switch off, and then press enter to continue. Please wait 5 seconds for the fault codes to be erased, then on ignition key on position clear the fault codes. Now I will add in read fault code C1001, C1944 component N30/4. The electronic stability program control unit has an internal error. The connection socket circuit has a problem. The ABS ECU control module is faulty. Now I remove the socket of the ABS control module cable. Check the sockets and cables for any problems. To open the ABS control module, 2 screws at the top and 2 screws at the bottom should be opened. ABS control module wiring socket should be opened. After loosening the ABS control module wiring socket and screws, pull the ABS control module outwards to separate it from the ABS hydraulic pump. Pull the ABS control module out of the ABS hydraulic pump just like this. Be careful when opening the ABS control module so as not to damage it. ABS and ESP control module is faulty, so I removed it. Repair or replace to install a new ABS control module. ABS and ESP control module is faulty, so should be opened and repaired, as replacement of new control module is quite expensive. I will send it to EU repairing shop for repair. The next day the ECU did the repairing. ECU repairing done. Now I will refit the ECU control module. Now I have to install the ECU control module and connect it to the ABS hydraulic pump. Install the ABS ECU control module by hand. Note that the ECU control module must not be hit by anything when attached to the ABS hydraulic pump. After connecting the ABS control module to the hydraulic brake pump, tighten the screws properly. After connecting the ABS control module to the hydraulic brake pump, tighten the screws properly. After installing everything, I entered the car and cleared the ABS and ESP fault code with the scan computer. To clear the ABS and ESP fault codes, keep the ignition switch in the on position. To clear ABS fault code, click on ESP electric stability, then click for the car fault code. Click view clearing fault codes. Now there are no more fault codes. No fault code. No fault code. Now I will start the car engine and see if ABS and ESP message and ABS light goes off or still on. Now ABS and ESP control module error is solved. Now there is no more problem after watching the video. If you have any problem to understand anything, please comment. On behalf of this channel, I wish you all the best and congratulations for watching the complete video.